The new Equipment Inventory Work Center has been designed to provide operators with real-time control and improved manageability of their fixed assets. As we navigate to the Work Center, we can see functionality to add new containers, address exceptions, as well as an overview of our existing inventory via the container dashboard. The search functionality in the top toolbar allows us to search for containers currently on site for a specific customer across multiple sites, returning each container along with key information such as serial number and size. ControlSpace dashboard has been designed to provide organizations with a real-time picture of every dimension of your container inventory. Using the drop-down options, we can filter the dataset to show only containers at a specific outlet, such as the transfer station. Going further, we can search for containers associated to a specific yard within that outlet. For example, return the status of all the roll-off containers associated to the roll-off storage facility at the transfer station. We can now see exactly how many roll-off containers by type are both in stock at the roll-off storage yard and on site with our customers. Clicking on containers in stock, we can see a tabular view of these assets. Each asset has key information associated to it, such as date of manufacture, warranty expiration, and current status, such as available, lost, or damaged. The table is fully interactive, allowing users to move columns and sort and filter the displayed data to further reduce the data set, which in turn can be taken offline for further analysis. Turning to our dashboard overview, we can now investigate our on-site 20-yard roll-off containers. The Work Center supports serial and non-serialized inventory management. Non-serial will provide the count of container type by location, while serial mode supports tracking of individual containers by serial number or tag to allow viewing of GPS location and service history. Additional information, such as the site address of each container, is available. Using GPS, captured by the driver at the time of the initial drop, container locations can be presented geographically. Once locations have been selected and pinned to the map, the user can hover over each pin to display additional information related to each container. To investigate a single container in more detail, a user can click on the pencil icon associated to that asset. This screen will allow users with the appropriate access to add, edit, or view information associated to each container, such as additional notes or the lat-long details. Clicking on Job History will take the user to a chronological view of that container's activity since deployment, including each unique work order and job number. This real-time picture of your inventory means operators have the tools to ensure that they always have containers for hire, and they can take informed decisions prior to spending money on new containers or repairs. It can also prevent loss of containers, as customers and staff will know that individual containers with serials can be tracked. Adding new containers to your inventory can be achieved in a number of ways. If assets are purchased in low numbers, they can be added manually using the Add New Container option. If containers are purchased in bulk, the Equipment Inventory Work Center supports a bulk upload option. The bulk import can be completed via the upload of a CSV file or by simply copying and pasting the data from an Excel sheet. In this example, we take our list of containers stored in a CSV file and upload them to the Work Center. This bulk upload option is especially powerful if users are opting for serialized tracking, as it will support the bulk upload of unique identifiers to support RFID, serial numbers, barcodes, or QR codes. Once uploaded, the user will conduct a column mapping exercise to align the data in the CSV file with that of the container fields. Columns can be associated and default values set as needed. Only the designated mandatory fields are required to complete this step in the process. Once all the data has been aligned, the user can proceed to the last step and validate the dataset before upload into the Work Center, creating a set of new container assets available for allocation in platform. The final feature to mention in this release is the Container Exception Management tool, which allows users to identify and quickly resolve any serial data anomalies, such as duplicates or incorrect serial numbers. This uses a container merge feature to find and associate that incorrect container to the correct one in the system. The goal of the Equipment Inventory Work Center is to eliminate the manual management of these assets through spreadsheets and paper. The business value for the operator is that it provides increased visibility and control, resulting in improved container availability, increased service levels, and agility. Insights will allow you to avoid unnecessary spend on new containers and help reduce costs associated to the loss of containers through oversight, fraud, or poor controls.